You're getting hot. You're getting hot, buddy.
Be careful.
Want to have Uncle Dave help you get that?
Yeah.
Uncle Dave will help you.
Is there one up there? Come here. Get up there.
You got to get a picture of that, babe.
Hands on the wall.
Go reach it, buddy.
You did? Yeah. It's good. Listen, we did.
You get that one?
Okay, go. Grandpa's helping you.
What about the egg on Grandpa's below Grandpa's chin?
Oh. That's a big old one.
Egg on his shoulders.
That's grand prize, I guess. Hey, Eliana. Oh, Bumblebee. Oh, cool. Eliana. Here, look.
Oh my God, I get it a lot.
Did I cut in there, man?
No, you're good.
Look at mine, Dad.
Whoa, what'd you get?
I got Blue Moss. Ooh, Evil Hero. Now I got like 3.
Hi, babe. Gracie. Did you get stuff?
Wow.
What'd you get, kiddo? What'd you get?
I got a lot.
I know someone that.
You got a lot.
That's
That's all for me, huh?
Oh, you got Bumblebee? Is that a Bumblebee transformer?
You don't get
Oh, you like Bumblebee, huh?
And that bad guy.
And Starscream. Nice.
Very nice.
I can't even open it.
It's getting heavy.
Is it getting heavy? You better give that to Dad. I'll take care of it. Okay, let's count it. Hey, kiddo, you might have to give up some.
Hey guys, Ellie's about 14 months and she's still not doing it really good on her own. So let's see if she can walk on her own to Daddy. Now come on. You come on to Dad. This is the, I think, oh, what? Oh, it's okay. You just flipped over. That's a camera. They're recording. Yes. All right, let's try it again. Come to Dad. Come to Dad. Come on. No, you little stinker. Come on. Duh. Come walk to Dad. Whoop. Oh. You little stinker. Come here. Come walk to Daddy. She needs to start walking like quick. Let's try it again. Okay, Daddy's gonna go all the way over here. Come on. Okay. We're trying to encourage her to walk, and she is having a hard time. Want to try it again? Want to say bye to the camera? Want to try it again? You're hot.
So he's hanging in there. Now he goes to upfield. See the protection there? That's a nice pocket to step up and throw the ball down the field. But then Webb broke it out to the outside.
Want to try to walk again? Okay. Come on. Yeah. Yeah, you come to Daddy. Why are you dropping? Okay, say bye to the camera. We tried. Say bye to the camera. Say bye-bye. Dad. Dad.
Go.
Dad, Dad.
Monument to the durable. Fast friends.
Come here. Come on. Come see Dad. Come grab Daddy's hand. Yeah. No. Come on. Oh, honey. Oh, you probably don't like being filled like this. Let me hold you. Let me hold you. Okay, I'll hold you. Girl.
I'm gonna show you. See. Look through.
We're good.
See?
Wow. Emma, you want to try?
Sure.
Go ahead, babe.
I want to put it on. Dad, watch this.
I'm watching. Good job, babe.
Yeah, watch this the end.
Okay. I love it.
I'm gonna have this. I jumped without feet on this one, and then I jumped.
Whoop. Sorry, Grace. Ellie, what's up?
She's scared of something.
Come here, baby. Go show Dad. What's the matter? What's in there?
Chocolate.
What is that?
Chocolate.
Chocolate?
Chocolate.
Say bye-bye.
Bye. Can I see? Can I tape you?
Say bye-bye.
Can I tape you, Daddy?
No, Daddy likes his face to not be on
Can
camera.
I tape